In this video, I will show you how to activate and use a VPN on your PlayStation 5. We will use Surfshark as the example VPN. I will guide you step by step so you can follow along without confusion. If you want to follow along and get the best possible price, you can find the Surfshark link in the description below. Before we start, it is important to understand one thing. The PlayStation 5 does not support VPN apps directly. This means you cannot download Surfshark from the PlayStation Store and install it on your console. Instead, we need to set up the VPN in a different way. There are two main methods. You can install the VPN on your Wi-Fi router, or you can share a VPN connection from your PC or Mac to your PS5. In this video, I will explain the router method. First, let us talk about what you need. You need an active Surfshark subscription. You also need access to your Wi-Fi router settings or a computer that is connected to the internet. And of course, you need your PlayStation 5. Let us start with the router method. This is the best long-term solution because once it is set up, every device connected to your Wi-Fi will use the VPN automatically, including your PS5. Open a web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type your router's IP address. The exact address depends on your router model and brand. You can usually find it on a sticker on the back of your router or in the router manual. Log in with your router username and password. If you never changed it, the details are usually printed on the back of the router. Once you are inside the router settings, look for a section called VPN, Advanced Settings, or WAN. Every router interface looks a bit different, so the names may change. What you are looking for is the option to add a VPN client or configure OpenVPN. Now open a new tab and go to the Surfshark website. Log in to your account. Go to the VPN section and find Manual Setup. Choose Router or OpenVPN configuration. You will see a list of server locations. Choose the country you want to connect to. For example, if you want access to US content, select a United States server. Download the OpenVPN configuration file for that server. It will be a file with the extension .ovpn. Also note your Surfshark service credentials. These are not always the same as your normal login. Surfshark provides special credentials for manual setup. Go back to your router settings. In the VPN client section, choose the option to upload a configuration file. Upload the .ovpn file you downloaded from Surfshark. Enter your Surfshark service username and password in the required fields. Save the settings and activate the VPN connection. Wait for the router to connect. Once connected, the VPN status should show as active. Now your router is connected to Surfshark. Turn on your PlayStation 5. Go to Settings. Then go to Network. Select Settings again, and then choose Set up Internet Connection. Choose Wi-Fi or LAN cable, depending on how you connect your PS5 to the router. Select Easy Setup. The PS5 will automatically detect the connection. Since the router is already connected to Surfshark, your PS5 is now using the VPN. To confirm that it works, you can open the internet browser on your PS5 and check your IP address using an online IP checker website. It should show the country of the VPN server you selected. Make sure your Surfshark subscription is active and that you selected the correct server configuration file. And you can check the link in the description to try it out at a great price.